Hi guys, wow, another best site that pays you watching YouTube videos online, listening to music and so on and so forth. So let's go to this site that pays you this particular morning just watching YouTube videos, listening to music, visiting sites, answering service. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share these videos for more of this. So let's go. So this site here, this site pays you in what PayPal and so on and so forth. Can you see all the payments this thing that pays you? So let's go to the dashboard. You press enter. So we already have an account already. For those of you that don't have account, so you choose what user, you not choose adverts. So when you come in, so this is this site here. So this is this site here, and you can also download this here. So if you download it in your Chrome, so it will be running ads in your Chrome for you, so you can also earn more money. So you have to install the browser. So when you install the browser, you need to install what, proofing browser or proofing browser. So when you install it there, so it will start running ads in your videos. So watch YouTube ads, videos, visiting sites, completing tasks and so on and so forth. So you have to what, let's say watch YouTube videos, view banner. So you press what, go to tax. So it's going to load, so we just wait to let it load. So per video, per YouTube video you watch, that paying you plus 1 pay, 0.5 pay per YouTube video you watch. That's they are going to pay you. So this is all about this site. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share these videos. So let me show you. So